Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Idle Planet Miner. So as you can see, I researched a little more because I just wanted to have fun and not like wait till I make a video about it. So I've unlocked this. Oh shit, wait. Fuck, I forgot. So I've researched telescope 2, and I've bought I think Newton, Widow, and Ver. Oh no! Oh look! Damn. So we need iron, nails, and silicone. Silicone, iron, nail. Okay. Can't craft it. But how do we craft? Okay, we'll just want that, this, and wait, I need 1,000, so I'm just going to bada-boom. Now we're going to buy that Sylvate. Okay. Bro, yeah. I forgot to upgrade all of my planets, but it's okay, guys. Okay, so colonization. I think my mom's going to barge in my room. Oh, so we need 20 iron. Wait, no. 20 copper bars and 10. Okay. Fuck, wait. Iron bar. No, wait. Yeah. It's only like 20 seconds for one copper bar, so. Yeah. Oh, look. 6, 7. Okay. Guys, I have 6, 7 dark matters. Please kill me. Chill. Okay. Mine rate. Oh. Okay, we need iron. So, you know what? I don't really care, so. Yeah, here. Yeah, okay. Shop? What do we have in shop? Data. No, I don't want to. I don't want to watch an ad. It's annoying. Okay. No. You know what? I'm going to sell 16k copper. What's this? Next change. 12 a.m. So midnight. Bro. Why midnight, bro? I want to experience that. Huh. I don't care. I'll just wake up anyways. Okay, so. Bro, I haven't upgraded this yet. Yeah, that's the only upgrade. Nah, bro. So I'm not going to sell silicone and aluminium because wait a second. Alright, mining rate. Here, aluminium. Here, Joe. And there you go. Okay. So I think I'll end the video here because I'm scared that my phone will have lots of gigabytes because we're like 6 minutes or something. And so, yeah. Well, that's it for the video. Bye, guys.